The advanced certification in capital markets has been designed for executives working in or aspiring to work in the area of capital markets. The program provides the participant a bird's eye view of the financial landscape and the business of banking with in-depth understanding of products like equities, fixed income, and derivatives. Complex concepts like risk management and financial math are also covered to give the participant a complete understanding of the area of capital markets. Our unique learning methodology is a blend of online videos, interactive learning, and webinars that are hosted on a learning management system. This allows the participant the flexibility of learning without any disruption to their professional life. The curriculum has been designed in consultation with leading industry professionals to ensure that the curriculum as well as the delivery methodology is very niche and completely industry relevant. The curriculum has been divided into 8 distinct modules. The first overarching module on global capital markets provides the participant an understanding of the businesses, the structure, and the importance of capital markets. The equities module provides them an understanding of stocks and other related products. The fixed income module gives them an understanding of all fixed income products by usage of extensive case studies. 20 plus derivatives are covered in the 4th module of derivatives. The 5th module on risk management provides the participant an understanding of the concepts of market risk, credit risk, and operational risk, as well as their impact on the business. The investment management module covers the financial instruments as well as the techniques that are used by successful investment managers. The operations module is a combination and provides an understanding of the trade life cycle for both cash and over-the-counter products. The last module, but being very important, is the risk and regulatory module, which provides an understanding of the latest regulatory trends and their impact on banking. Our unique blended learning methodology is a combination of online videos and live webinars hosted over an advanced learning management system. Each participant has a customized, unique learning path with 100 plus hours of online videos delivered by reputed faculty from leading firms. This is augmented by the live webinars that are held on every weekend, which are a combination of learning as well as review and recap of all that has been taught. 15 plus case studies are solved by the group collaboratively to augment their learning. Our advanced learning management system, which centralizes all the learning, ensures that the participant has 24/7 access to the learning as well as the testing materials. This not only allows them 24/7 access, but allows them to connect, collaborate, and share all their learning. The curriculum is delivered over 8 weeks, where each participant undergoes 8 to 12 hours of self-paced learning over the week, followed by a live webinar on the same topic over the weekend. Here they get to meet their trainers as well as other participants in the program. Our faculty includes senior members like Harish Thakkar, an advanced CISI trainer with 18 plus years of experience in the area of capital markets operations and training with banks like JP Morgan and Nomura. Ravi Kiran Pisapati, with 13 plus years of experience working with banks like Lehman Brothers, JP Morgan, is also part of our faculty. Our program is ideal for professionals who are working in the capital markets domain and are looking to upscale their current knowledge levels. It is also ideal for professionals working in other domains looking to start a career in capital markets. In case you find this interested and would like to know more, please call us at 1800-103-7480 to register for this program. Thank you.